Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing raw 360 clips into a 360 aware editor so projections stay correct. Once imported, convert any proprietary files to equirectangular 2, one to avoid warping. That preserves spatial accuracy. You should sync multicam takes using timecode or waveform. This ensures consistent stitch seams. Then run a 360 stabilization pass to remove jitter. This improves viewer comfort. Make sure to keep originals in a separate bin so you can revert if a conversion or sync step goes wrong. Once your footage is prepared, edit directly in 360 space to preserve orientation. Cut on action and match viewer gaze because abrupt viewpoint changes cause motion sickness. Use 360 aware transitions or fades instead of traditional pans and zooms, which break immersion. Add ambisonic or spatial mono audio tied to the scene so sound matches head rotation. This clarifies directionality for the viewer. If you need text overlays, place them on a curved canvas at readable distance to avoid stretching. You finish by exporting an equirectangular master using H, 264 or H, 265, keeping the 2:1 aspect ratio and original resolution to retain detail. Once exported, test the file in a headset and in a flat player to inspect stitch lines, exposure shifts, and audio orientation. If you see seams, rerun stabilization or perform localized color matches if audio feels off. Re-export ambisonic tracks. Key troubleshooting. If you get projection artifacts,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.